welcome back. I just finished my Vtwin engine, and I know I said I was going to do this a lot while longer into the future, but actually I decided to do it now because I knew what I had to do in order to build it. I had the idea, I had the inspiration in mind, and so I built it a lot earlier than I thought I would. Now, that doesn't change anything. I might put the boxer back together and improve that, but I just wanted to run this on camera for the first time because it has not seen the vacuum yet. So, I did make a manifold for it, and it's a chunky boy. Very chunky boy. But that's just because I used two thick walls in order to create a good seal. So yeah, so this is where the vacuum goes in right here, and then it splits and goes into the separate cylinders. Now its width is shorter than the boxer because with the cylinders upright, it's a lot less distance. So yeah, and also it has to be a separated manifold because of the fact that the V angle, it's a 90-degree V angle, by the way, does not line up the Legos from here to here, and it's not measurable in Legos, so it can't really make a integrated carb, which sucks, but it still works, and I'm gonna put gaskets on these. And yeah, so let's run the engine for the first time.
It runs as expected.
What kind of valve is it running on one system now? This is the first time in a long time that I've had a valve failure. I guess maybe it needs a rebuild because this valve I haven't actually glued, so maybe I should do that, but that'll be for the next episode. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed me starting up this engine for the very first time. I certainly was happy. And yeah, if you want to see more of my content, don't hesitate to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.